Dear friends, in class 7 we are trying to understand exterior angle of a triangle, and let us understand it with the help of some other examples. Now find angle x. We are given first question in textbook, find angle x in figure. Now watch carefully. This angle forms a linear pair with the interior angle. So exterior, this angle 110 is an exterior angle, and we have already studied that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So exterior angle is equal to, we have already studied, exterior angle is equal to, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, sum of interior opposite angles. Now look at the figure. 110 is an exterior angle, this is adjacent interior angles. It means these two are interior opposite angles. 50 and x are interior opposite angles, and 110 is an exterior angle. So we will get 110 is equal to 50 plus x. Now, in order to find x, we must transpose 50 to LHS. So, if you transpose, it is positive. If it is transposed, it will become negative. So, we will get 110 minus 50 is equal to x. So, this is equal to 60. 60 is equal to x. It means x is equal to 60 degrees. Thus, value of x is, angle x is equal to, thus, angle x is 60 degrees. Next, let's try to understand if exterior angle is an right angle. Watch carefully. If exterior angle is a right angle, then these interior opposite angles are always acute. So, if exterior angle is right angle, interior opposite angles are always acute. If exterior angle is obtuse, then interior angle can be obtuse, can be right angle, can be acute as well. So please watch carefully. If exterior angle is obtuse angle, then interior angle can be obtuse angle, interior opposite angles can be right angles, and interior opposite angle can be acute angle. But one angle is always acute angle. If exterior angle is obtuse angle, then one of the interior opposite angle is always acute angle. Then if exterior angle is acute, watch carefully. If exterior angle is acute, it means its interior opposite angles must also be acute only, because we have already studied the property exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles. It means if this is acute, the sum must be acute angles. Dear friends, an exterior angle can never be a straight angle. So straight angle means their angle is 180 degrees. If there exists a straight angle, if exterior angle is equal to straight angle, it means triangle only don't exist. So exterior angle can never be a straight angle. Dear friends, we have next question. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degrees and one of its interior opposite angle is of measure 25 degrees. Find the measure of other interior opposite angles. See, figure is something like this, 70 degrees. So, we are given that exterior angle is 70 degrees. In triangle ABC, we are given that exterior angle is 70 degrees. And one of the interior opposite angle is of measure 25 degrees. So, one of it is 25 degrees. Find the measure of other interior opposite angle. So, we are already knowing. So, you can take in triangle ABC, we have named the figure. So, in triangle ABC, angle ABD is an exterior angle. So angle ABD is given to us. Angle ABD is equal to 70 degrees and angle BAC is equal to 25 degrees. We are asked to find other means angle ACB. Now we know the property exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we know the property. We have exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. It means angle ABD, exterior angle is ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ACB. So ABD is 70 degrees. We will get 70 degrees is equal to BAC is 25 degrees plus angle ACB. Now if you transpose 25 to the other side, it will become negative. So angle ACB is equal to 70 minus 25, that is equal to 45. So angle ACB is 45 degrees. Now look at the question. We will ask find the measure of other interior opposite angle. Thus other interior opposite angle is interior opposite angle is 45 degrees. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Find the measure of exterior angle. So we are given interior opposite angles. So one of the angle is 60 degree, the other is 80 degree, and we are asked to find exterior angles. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles or is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So property is exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. It means this is equal to 60 plus 80, that is equal to 140 degrees. So exterior angle is equal to, thus exterior angle is equal to 140 degrees. Here we were given that in triangle ABC, angle ACD is exterior angle and angle A, and angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle B is equal to 80 degrees. This was given to us. We were asked to find exterior angles. We have used the property exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Dear friends, we try this third question is something wrong in this diagram? Comment. Now see, here we are given one of the angle is exterior angle is equal to 50 degrees. Then interior opposite angles are also 50 degree each. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So exterior angle must be 100 degrees or interior angles must be smaller than 50 degrees. Their sum must be 50 degrees. So either exterior angle is 100 degrees or interior angles, sum of interior angles is 50 degrees. So here you will see that exterior angle is not equal to sum of interior opposite angles, hence the measures given are wrong. So exterior angle is not equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, we can say that figure is wrong. Therefore, figure is wrong. It must be always, exterior angle must always be equal to sum of interior opposite angles.